You may hear people talk about different types of investments, and sometimes it can get a bit too overwhelming. Well, today on Mindful Money, I will run through the pros and cons of short-term and long-term investing. Let's get right into it. At various stages, investors can often feel frustrated by the performance of their investments. They may expect them to rapidly grow, however, this isn't always the reality. Investors will be able to limit the frustration if they were more familiar with the nature of the stock market. It is very important to keep in mind the difference between short-term and long-term investments within the stock market. Whether you are a long-time stock trader or new to investing within the stock market, there are two major types of investments: long-term investments and short-term investments, which people utilize. Learning as much as you can about investing, doing your research, and learning how to buy stocks for the first time can help you decide which style of investing is better for you. The main difference between these types of investments is that long-term investments are more for secure profits over a longer period of time. On the other hand, short-term investments can result in good profits in a shorter period of time, however has a lot more risk involved. There are many pros and cons to both of these investment methods that you should know before deciding which method is better for you. I'm going to tell you some of the pros and cons of short-term and long-term investment in the stock market. Watch till the end so you know how to keep mindful about your money. Short-term investments. Just to list a few, here are some advantages of short-term investments. The main advantage of a short-term investment is the potential to grow in a short period of time. This short period of time can be months, weeks, or even days. A short-term investing plan can give you more control over your money because you can buy and sell within a shorter period of time. Disadvantages. The stock market can make a dramatic change to a short-term investment. Due to unpredictable circumstances within the short period of time, these types of stocks are usually affected. In a short period of time, there is a possibility of making huge profits. However, there is still the possibility that you can make huge losses. Long-term investments. The investment you hold for several years is known as long-term investments. Advantages. Long-term investments shows a steady growth over long time periods. Long-term stocks are a lot more reliable and have shown to have a steady growth over the years. Disadvantages. In long-term investments, there are the risk of having less control over your money due to the long period of time it takes for the stock to mature. In long-term stock investing, it will take a long time to see any profits. If you are looking for a quicker return in your money, this method may not be for you. It is also important to consider that when you are trading stocks, there is always a fee to be paid. The most important thing to keep in mind when trading stocks is to decide which one of these two methods is for you and your reasons behind investing. If you are looking for a quicker return with your money, then short-term investment will be for you. However, if you're just looking to make money in the long run, then long-term investment will be the right method for you. Please just bear in mind that whichever method you pick, appropriate research will have to be done, and trading is always done at your own risk. In the end, your willingness for investment success depends upon taking calculated risks. This was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for notifications on when we upload. Till then, I'll see you later.